I'll show you how to create amazing videos with the Runways ACT2 platform. So if you simply to say Runway ACT2, so this basically will come. So in real time, it can generate videos for it. So Runway, it's a really popular platform. So they actually released this Act 2 live synchronization model. So basically cost 5 credits per second, 3-second minimum videos you can generate. So once you go to the platform here, runawayml.com, right here inside this, you first of all need to sign up. So you have the option to simply sign up using your Google account. So I've already signed up, and for this, right here, you can select this option. And for unfortunately for using this, you do need to upgrade. So you click the upgrade option, and right here you can view the full plans right here. So basically in the free plan, it basically includes 125 credits one time. The credits will be given to you. You can generate videos, images. So let me just log in with a different account to actually show to you these functionalities. So go to Runaway ML account. So simply get started here and signing up with a free account. So we have the option to log in with your Google account. So they actually released this feature ACT-2 to create real-time videos. So now it basically grant you with the, so those credits I think is not available. I think you can see the details here. You do need to upgrade. I think let me try this with a different account. Runaway ML. So once the credits are over, guys, you can't do this. So let me again try this with a different account here. So now as you sign up, you will be granted, I think, 125 credits. So welcome to Runaway. So if I check now, just close this. Yeah, so 125 credits are granted to you once you log in. And right here, you can try out this platform for completely free. So right here from the select, you can actually select any sort of image. So I can simply turn this static image into video and make it angry and talk as well. So now you simply attach the image and simply using this AC2, it will actually generate a, so for this you do need to upgrade to a paid plan, and you can simply say generate video where two girls are coding on. So yeah, so due to heavy demand, generations on free plans are temporarily unavailable. So uh, I think 1 month back they were allowing free generations, but unfortunately they have removed this. So that's why you will get all the features: image to video, text to video, remove background. So watermark will not be present. So you can definitely upgrade here, and Definitely try this.